Welcome to Artistic Documentation. This image showcases an upcoming promotional template design for a hair care product called VRH Stem Cell Therapy Hair Fall Control Shampoo, which is presented as part of the Scalp Stem Cell Therapy line. The visual layout includes the product packaging a sleek white bottle with a pump, and a matching box placed prominently in the center to highlight the brand. Surrounding the product are natural elements like aloe vera leaves, droplets of water, and herbal imagery, which reinforce the shampoo's association with freshness, hydration, and natural ingredients. The left side of the design includes a bold yellow circular splash with the text "Upcoming Template Design," drawing attention to the purpose of the image as a preview of marketing content. Additionally, the use of blue water droplets floating across the background creates a sense of purity, vitality, and cleanliness, which are all qualities consumers seek in haircare products. The importance of a product template in this context lies in its role as a visual communication tool that conveys the brand's identity, product benefits, and market positioning in a clear and attractive way. A well-structured product template serves multiple functions. It establishes brand recognition by consistently presenting logos, colors, and taglines. It enhances customer trust by offering a professional and polished appearance, and it ensures that marketing messages remain uniform and effective across different platforms such as social media, advertisements, and in-store promotions. In industries like personal care and cosmetics, where competition is intense and consumer perception is shaped heavily by aesthetics, a visually appealing template design can make the difference between a product that stands out on the shelf or online and one that gets overlooked. Beyond aesthetics, templates also save time and resources by providing a reusable, adaptable framework for future campaigns, ensuring scalability as product lines expand. For a product like VRH Stem Cell Therapy Shampoo, which positions itself as a scientifically advanced and natural solution for hair fall control, the template reinforces its dual promise of innovation through stem cell therapy and nature through herbal imagery, creating a compelling brand story that appeals to both rational and emotional consumer needs. Thus, the upcoming product template design is not merely decorative but a strategic asset that aligns visual appeal with marketing objectives, consumer psychology, and brand growth.